Good morning, beautiful people. Good morning. Today is Thursday here. It's rainy day today here. As you can see, so cloudy. But my plants, they are happy. They are happy. My flowers. Here's some my plants. Still need to come out some the seeds that I planted in this side here. And today I'm going to harvest some of the ready now here, guys. Look at this one, guys. It's growing fast. Wow, this one, guys, is going to be turned 1 month after I planted from seeds. This coming July 2nd, it's gonna be turned to 1 month. But look at that. Wow, especially this one. There is a one behind in here. This one, it's all red baby lettuce here.